In this quick video, I'll be showing you Spring Cleaning Tier 4 Act 3. In this we declare an infested stronghold in the highest threat area, being this place over here. I can mark an infested stronghold such as this one, and all we need to do is make our way across to it. For this, I'd absolutely recommend at least having a Pack-a-Punch Tier 3 weapon that you bring in, otherwise buying a gun in this area and Pack-a-Punching it to Tier 3. That's it. That's all you need really, besides a whole bunch of plates and a whole bunch of luck too. This mission is going to be really tough. I'd highly recommend bringing not only Juggernog, but also the ability that makes you sprint faster. That's also pretty much a requirement. I don't have that, so I'm not really going to be able to outrun some of these runners. That being said though, it should definitely be doable. Oh, and also not to mention, if you find a deadbolt turret such as this one, it's probably a good idea to activate it if you have the ability to do so. I don't, so we're kind of just doing this and seeing if it works. It should be possible, but it is going to be tough. Alright, so making our way to a Tier 3 infested stronghold, we'll open the door, and now all we need to do is clear out these cysts. I'd highly recommend having the death vision, or whatever it's called, I can't think at the moment, as it'll allow you to spot these balls through the wall really easily, allowing you to clear it out a lot faster. If you're trying to do a stronghold in any area, I'd recommend having that perk, as it's just so powerful. I think it's called Death of Field or something like that. Clearing this place out methodically and slowly. Seems like we have a disciple harassing us, so we'll get rid of that too. We should eventually be able to slowly but surely clear this entire place out. So I don't see anything left on the bottom floor, it's only really upstairs. I think that's hopefully the last one, and yes, now with that, we've successfully finished this mission. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.